Well, move to question number 11. Root 2 times 16 is 2 to the power of x. Find the value of x. See, in this kind of questions, okay, so here you first of all, understand this is a question falls under indices. So here we need to find the unknown. Unfortunately, that unknown is actually present in the power, right? So then you closely observe both right hand side and left hand side. In our right hand side, what is the base? Base means this number. What is the base? Base is 2. And in the left hand side, that is in the weird form. This root 2 is not an index number. 16 is also not an index number, because though 16 we can write it as 16 to the power of 1. Definitely in this kind of questions, the base for left hand side and right hand side has to be same. Then only we can find the unknown powers. So this root 2 means by default it is 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, so this 16 means it is actually what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we are now rearranging, or we are simply changing the 16 to this another base. What is our base? Wanted base, that is 2, right? So 2 to the power of 4 is 16, right? So now the things becomes more easier. How? It is root 2, we can write it as 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 16 we can write it as 2 to the power of 4 as 2 to the power of x. So here we can apply in the left hand side, we can apply the multiplication law. What is that? X to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b means x to the power of a plus b. So this we can write it as 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 4, and that is 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 4 means it is what? 2 to the power of 9 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of x. 9 by 2 is 2 to the power of 4.5, and that is equal to 2 to the power of x. Since both left hand side and right hand side having the same base, we can equate the power. So what is the value of x? It is 4.5. Either you can write it is in decimal form or in the fraction form. So what is our answer? That is going to be 4.5 or 9 by 2. Either way is fine. Okay. Now move to the B part. 11 to the power of minus 6 to the power of 5 divided by 11 to the power of 4 is equal to 11 to the power of 10. See, here we have to use a property. X to the power of a to the power of b means x to the power of a times b. So that means, simply speaking, you have to multiply these powers. So 11 to the power of minus 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 11 to the power of 4 is 11 to the power of n. So what is minus 6 multiplied by 5? This is what? Minus 30, right? So 11 to the power of minus 30 divided by 11 to the power of 4 is 11 to the power of n. So here we can again apply x to the power of a by x to the power of b form. What is x to the power of a by x to the power of b? That is x to the power of a minus b. So that we can write it as 11 to the power of minus 30 minus 4 is 11 to the power of n. 11 to the power of minus 34 is 11 to the power of n. Therefore, the value of n is what? Minus 34. So answer for this is equal to minus 34. So value of n, now we got it as minus 34.